In today's rapidly evolving world, the future belongs to those who innovate. And innovation begins with the right environment. Welcome to the Pakluck Robotics and STEM Innovation Lab, a modern, fully equipped learning ecosystem designed for schools, colleges and universities across Pakistan. Here, students don't just learn, they create, build, experiment and bring ideas to life. Our lab is engineered to spark curiosity and imagination through hands-on robotics, coding, artificial intelligence, 3D printing, electrical prototyping, and STEM-based activities. Every corner of this space is built to inspire young minds to explore the boundaries of technology. Pakluck provides a complete turnkey lab solution. This includes full lab installation, curriculum, professional teacher training, student activity kits, and year-round technical support. We ensure that your institution is fully prepared to deliver a world-class learning experience from day one. Each workstation is designed with powerful systems capable of running advanced simulations, programming environments, robot design software, electronics development tools, drone training modules, and multimedia applications. Our advanced 3D printers enable students to bring concepts into reality by creating functional models, robot components, and prototypes with precision. With modular robotics kits, students can design and assemble drones, rovers, robotic arms, smart machines, and AI-powered devices, giving them the opportunity to learn through practical, real-world problem-solving. This lab isn't just a room full of equipment, it is a creative playground, a skill-building hub, and a launchpad for the innovators of tomorrow. Welcome to the future of education. Welcome to Pakluck Robotics Lab Solutions. Pakluck, empowering future innovators.